How to grow fresh mint at home, a simple and refreshing guide. Craving the soothing taste of fresh mint in your tea? Here's how you can grow your own lush mint plant right at home in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Prepare your container. Start by selecting a rectangular pot or container with good drainage holes. Mint loves moisture but hates soggy roots. Step 2. Fill with the right soil. Fill the container with moist peat moss, also known as peat or peat-based potting mix. This light, airy soil retains moisture while keeping the roots healthy. Step 3. Planting the mint. Take healthy mint cuttings or seedlings and gently plant them into the soil. Make sure to leave enough space between each plant so they can spread freely. Step 4. Light and water. Place the container in a bright spot where it gets partial sunlight. Water regularly to keep the soil consistently moist but not soaked. Step 5. Watch it thrive. In just a few weeks, you'll see new leaves sprouting and the fragrance filling the air. Trim regularly to encourage bushier growth and prevent it from becoming leggy. And finally, pick a few fresh leaves, boil some water, and enjoy the most delightful cup of homemade mint tea. There's nothing like the taste of freshness you've grown with your own hands.